Today I'm going to show you how to add a spreadsheet theme look in LibreOffice Calc, even though Calc does not use Excel style themes in the same way. Instead, the fastest way to create a polished, consistent design is by using built-in cell styles. This is a great way to make your spreadsheet look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple LibreOffice tips. Now let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, look to the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a file open, you can use that instead. This method works on a blank sheet or an existing spreadsheet, so choose whichever one you want to style. Once your spreadsheet is open, the next step is to select the cells where you want to apply the theme-like style. You can click and drag to highlight a range of cells or select an entire row, column, or table section, depending on what you want to format. Selecting the right cells is important because the style will only be applied to the area you choose. Now go to the top menu and click Styles. If you do not see a separate style panel yet, don't worry because there is an easy shortcut for that. Click Manage Styles or simply press F11 on your keyboard. This opens the Styles sidebar where you can browse through ready-made formatting options. On the right side, you'll now see a list of styles available for your spreadsheet. LibreOffice Calc gives you several built-in cell styles that can help create a consistent look. Some useful options include heading, result, and accent. These are especially helpful when you want to make titles stand out, highlight totals, or give certain cells a more polished appearance. To apply one of these styles, just double-click the style you want while your cells are selected. Instantly, the formatting will be applied to the highlighted cells. This can change things like text appearance, borders, background color, and overall visual structure, giving your sheet a more organized and professional feel. If you want your spreadsheet to look more like a fully designed theme, you can repeat this process for different parts of your sheet. For example, you can use a heading style for your main title row, an accent style for labels or important sections, and a result style for totals or final values. By combining a few styles carefully, you can create a clean and consistent spreadsheet layout without having to format every cell manually. The best part is that this method is fast and flexible. Since LibreOffice Calc does not have Excel-style spreadsheet themes, using cell styles is the closest and most effective way to achieve that themed look. It saves time, keeps your formatting consistent, and makes your spreadsheet much easier to present or share. If you want to make future edits even easier, try applying the same style choices across all related sheets in your workbook. That way, your file will feel unified from start to finish. You can also experiment with different built-in styles until you find the combination that matches your project best. So just to recap, open LibreOffice Calc, select the cells you want to format, open styles with the menu or F11, choose a ready-made style like heading, result, or accent, and double-click to apply it. That's the simple way to add a spreadsheet theme look to LibreOffice Calc. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more LibreOffice tutorials, spreadsheet tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.